I'm gonna pretty much read out this information to you guys, but this is why I've always said, man, that I want to stay away from tourist areas. You know, you have guys that ruining, you know, we escaping the matrix because we want to see better scenery. We want to see a better feel for dating, and you know, we're trying to escape America, not go into the same thing, you know. And so from what I see, man, Dominican Republic, especially Sosua, is just a bunch of Americans just all together, you know what I'm saying, enjoying the beach life. And ain't nothing wrong with it, but it's ruining the game, man. You know, it's so many reasons of why I feel this way, but that will be in another video. So I'm gonna pretty much break down what's going on right now, Sosua Beach, and I want you guys to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. So guys, as you guys see, I'm on Dominican today. I'm going to read this information so you guys can see this is really going to happen. It's legit. I'm not going to read this for word, but there's a couple things that stood out to me for someone that's interested into Sosua as a first-time traveler. And I'm going to pretty much show you guys why it's so big that I had to turn away from this. So the first thing that I see right here, it says the decision of tourism is motivated by the present situation of slums on the beach, which together with the prostitution present in the streets of Sosua are considered fundamental problems, which makes it impossible for local tourism. That right there alone tells me that it's so big that the government is saying, look, we're getting this out of here. And not only that, but it also says the government announced in June that they invested $600 million in Sosua to invest in the bridge, hotels. They're trying to change it like Cabarete. So this is just what happens, man, when, you know, you have guys that's on YouTube promoting these type of activities. You know, you're drawing all of the attention to that specific thing. This is why there's a lot of, you know, dating coaches and passport brothers going at it right now. You know, and it makes us as passport brothers, it makes us look bad, because I feel like that because there's a lot of videos about prostitution, it paints the picture, and it makes a bad view of regular people like myself, Austin Holman, you know, and brothers that's out there traveling and really talking game, you know what I'm saying, and ain't leading with USD. You know, if they do lead, or if someone do lead, they lead with pesos. You know, they talking Spanish. Yo no habla español. You know what I'm saying? They don't know how to speak Spanish. You know, and if I'm traveling to these countries, it's yo no habla English. You know what I'm saying? Yo hablo español ahora. That's all it is with me. You know what I'm saying? But I just pretty much wanted to talk about this, you know, for you guys. If you guys still want to go down there, go on. You know, and from my understanding, from my research, you know, the money when it comes to this type of activity is gone up. And it ain't gone up because of the people like to talk about inflation. It ain't because of the inflation. It's because of what you guys are giving. You know what I'm saying? It's what you guys willing to give. It ain't about how much a woman offering. It's how much you guys are giving overall. Until you guys start lowering the prices, it's going to continually get bad for you guys. But if you're someone that want to see videos about real life experience, culture experience, you know, none of my women will be paid. Now, of course, it works the same in the United States. I'm not saying that, you know, I'm not going to do anything. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you know, me, that's another topic for another video when it comes to what I'm willing to do. You know what I'm saying? But it damn sure ain't finna be me willing to give my USD. You know what I'm saying? So drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Again, there's no disrespect to brothers out there that's paying. I understand. It's quicker, it's faster, it's less time. Some guys look at it that you're paying anyway, regardless of whether you take a woman out or not. Again, it's a topic for another video. But I just want to let you guys know it is official. $600 million has been invested in Sosua. The beach is finna be definitely upgraded, and but it doesn't change anything. You guys got the casino, you guys got Envy, and all of this. But again, when I escape the matrix, I'm trying to go into something that's better. You know what I'm saying? I can do the same thing in the States. So why would I want to go into the same thing? You know, it's just backwards to me. It doesn't make sense. You know, I want to be able to experience and see why guys like Austin Holman, you know what I'm saying, is talking about the real experience of feminist women. You know what I'm saying? You can't really experience that if you're giving a woman, you know, $100 USD just for an hour. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that ain't telling me nothing. You know what I'm saying? You can't experience this when you in tourist areas, when you're going to get some, you know, Dominican food, but you know, you have brothers that's cooking it. You know, that's not real Dominican food. You know what I'm saying? So I may consider going to Santo Domingo, but I gotta do my research because now that could be, you know, up for grab. It could be worse. But I can tell you guys, we definitely going to definitely, you know, get this traveling going. Definitely make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I will definitely update you guys as we get closer to our first international travel. Peace.